What's up, guys? Nate here. Another update today on the Overland truck build. Today I pulled the box out and I'm gonna prep it for doing the sound control as well as the insulation spray. So I gotta get all this mess cleaned up. It's kind of been in the shop for a little bit. Got some welding dust, some crap from outside. So wash all that off, prep all this for spray. Same thing underneath. This is all gonna get re-prepped for spray because that's all pretty smooth. So that'll get scuffed up so we can apply that sound control and insulation on there. And that's it. So it's supposed to be like 70-ish ideally to spray. Luckily today it's like 75. So I think what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna leave this outside overnight and get everything cleaned up and prepped today. Come back tomorrow afternoon when everything's nice and warm, because it's been in the shop, which is still pretty cold, and spray it tomorrow afternoon. So that'll give me today to prep everything and get it all set. So off to get some supplies, and we'll see you guys in a little bit. That was prepping the box for tomorrow's spray. I gotta go get some parts for the gun. This is a special pickup gun. Check out the size of this pickup tube on this thing. It's massive. It's not quite the size of my thumb, but pretty close. Giant pickup tube for this undercoating spray. So anyway, I gotta get an air hose fitting for down here, and then I'm gonna get a quick disconnect fitting with an adapter for this, so that instead of using this pickup and the gun, I can take a standard air hose, connect it onto this, and then run that into the 5-gallon bucket of product. That way I can just set the bucket down here on the side and start spraying with just the hose instead of having to refill the cup, because this is going to take probably all 5 gallons. So that would be a lot of trips back and forth to the cup. So anyway, I'm going to go do that, and then tomorrow I'm going to come back, do a final wipe down, get everything cleaned up again, and then spray. The other thing I did tonight was I put a quick semi-gloss black coat on my deck slides out there. You guys saw that in the time lapse. And put another couple coats on those, let them dry over the weekend, and then I'll put those back in after this is all sprayed, and that'll be done and wrapped up. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. We'll see you tomorrow for the spray. Later.